are a manufacturing organisation. We were founded in 1978 and we carry out a range of machining services and fabrication services. We've operated in a number of industries, trying to focus on some of the more technically challenging industries. So the aerospace industry has always been a heavy focus for ourselves. An element of defence work. The nuclear industry has been very, very important to us over the years. Also the power generation industry. We tried to differentiate ourselves by going for slightly more complex machining, trying to work with difficult materials, so titaniums, exotic alloys. We've also tried to differentiate by trying to develop a capability of working with very, very tight tolerances. And we can operate in a range of sizes, so we can machine very, very small components in the range of millimetres, but we can also go up to very, very large components. So our largest 5-axis facility is about 3.4 metres in diameter.
Some of the components we produce here at Manthorpe can be very large, very complex, with geometry that 15 years ago possibly couldn't have been achieved.
One of the strengths of NX is the speed and ease with which we can produce multiple iterations of a particular design. If you can get collaboration on a design for manufacture, there may be ways that we can advise on some characteristic of how you would actually manufacture that on a machine. A particular feature in this place as opposed to a particular feature in another place might save hours of machining time. And where NX comes into that is that you very easily can have multiple iterations as you work with a design authority to manipulate the characteristics of the product.
NX does save us a lot of time and money. The most impressive thing about NX is the ability to be able to simulate exactly what you see on the machine. Time on the machine is money. We can be dealing with very expensive components. We wouldn't want to be going straight onto the machine and cutting blindly.
I think that we've worked closely with TTL, very collaboratively. I think they've supported us very well, particularly on things like the development of post-processors.
TTL have customised the post-processors to suit Manthorpe's very high-end machining requirements and also to utilise all the latest features of the machine tool controllers.
Quite often what we're doing is associated with very, very tight tolerances and complex materials, but there are certain products that we make that have difficult to achieve 5-axis profiles on them, and you need the right tools in a virtual environment to be able to model that effectively, and that's one of the things that NX has allowed us to do. NX is central to our business.